We are going on a date with Eliza. Say hi.
Date. Date. It's a date.
Dapat ganyan. Guys, let's go. Anong oras na?
So guys, bakit lang ako guys?
So, nandito na kami sa labas ng sine.
Just cheese. Yeah. Anything else? That's everything. Only MasterCard.
Uy, bawal yan. Ayun, hot pepper.
We got some
Favorite.
chili, some onion. Damihan natin.
Ito onion. Dapat yun eh. Masarap yung hot pepper. Ayan guys, masarap yan. Favorite. Ooh. Damihan mo, ang tanggal umay. Okay na. That's good.
Huwag lang matapon.
Punta na kami doon guys. What's up? See you guys. Sa 7 tayo. So 3D tayo kaya gawa tayo ng 3D. Let's go. E, letter E.
I'm excited to be here. It's been a while. You know, for a long time, I wasn't sure I'd ever be back. Disney bought Fox, there was